The first approach that we are going to talk about is the whole team approach. And this approach is very important to any team, whether this team delivers software or delivers any other type of product. But when we are talking about Agile, this approach is very important. The whole team approach means that the whole team is responsible for everything. There is a collaboration between the team members. There is a transfer of knowledge between the team members. So, like we see here, the whole team approach means that we involve everyone who is necessary to ensure the success of our project. And this means that we involve, of course, the product owner or the business representative and the tester and the developer in any feature discussion or in any decision that we are going to make as a team. In whole team approach, it is better that we have a small team which has a size of from 3 persons to 9 persons. Because less than 3 persons, this is not considered as a team. This is considered as a pair. And more than 9 persons, it is very hard to manage this team and make it collaborative between its members. So the ideal Agile team or the ideal team, if we are applying the whole team approach, consists of 3 to 9 persons. Also, ideally, the team is co-located. The whole team shares the same space, the same area. They are all inside the same workstation. Okay, we don't have separate departments between the teams. No, all of us, even the leader or the Scrum Master, share the same location and work from the same place. Of course, like we said, this is hard for people who are working remotely, but like we say, this is the ideal case. We try to do this, we try to make our team range from 3 to 9, and we try to make our team co-located. The most important thing in the whole team approach is the quality. The quality is everyone's responsibility. We talked in the ISTQB Foundation level about the quality, and from our explanation and from the syllabus, we understood that the quality is the responsibility of the tester. And this is the mindset that goes inside many companies. But if we are a successful Agile project, or if we are a successful Agile team, then quality is everyone's responsibility. It is not the responsibility of the tester. It is the responsibility of the team leader, the Scrum Master, the product owner, the tester, and also, of course, the developer. So, if I'm a developer, I will not say, okay, I don't need to test this function because the tester will test it, and if it has some defects, he will send them or assign them to me. No, I will test all the functions very well, and then the tester will test them also in a good way. But what is my role as a tester inside the whole team approach? Here we are going to talk about Agile testing. This is our course. It's not about Agile in a normal way, okay? So you as a tester, your role is first to support and collaborate with the business representative. And when we talk about the business representative, most of the times we mean the product owner. So we sit with the product owner or the person who represents the business to help them create suitable acceptance tests. So, like we said in the foundation level, acceptance testing is the responsibility of the customer or the user. But here, we will collaborate with the customer or we will collaborate with the user to help them create their acceptance tests and guide them through it. So, like we said, quality is everyone's responsibility. Then also we will work with developers to agree on the testing strategy and decide the test automation approach. So here, this is a testing decision, but the tester will not take it on his own, will not decide the automation framework or the testing strategy alone. No, he will sit with the developer, because the developer, of course, has a good technical knowledge, and together they will decide how will the application be tested based on the developer's mindset and the tester's mindset, and also they together will choose the test automation approach. Okay, will they use a keyword-driven testing or data-driven testing? What is the language that will use in their automation solution? Will it be Java or JavaScript or other language? The developer will have a decision in this, not only the tester. Okay, the third role of the tester inside the team is to transfer and extend testing knowledge to other team members. So you as a tester, your role is to act as a coach to other team members. You will sit with the developer and tell him about the testing techniques. Okay, you might explain to him the black box techniques or the white box techniques that you use to test your products. This will help him to deliver you a better quality software. You will also guide the business representative. For example, you might talk with him about persona-based testing or about perspective-based testing. Any technique that you use in your testing, this will help them to have a better mindset regarding the software testing. Okay, so now we have an important definition that is used in Agile, which is the bar of 3. Okay, this is a good definition. This is a good thing if you have inside your company. So here from the definition, we have 3 things or 3 people. These 3 people, we will have them throughout the course, are the tester, the developer, and the business representative, which is most of the times the product owner. So the power of 3 means that the concept of involving testers, developers, and business representatives in all feature discussions. So when we are going to discuss any feature, those 3 persons must be present, and each one of them must give us his opinion and his feedback on how this feature should be designed, developed, and tested.